Hello there, lovely people. Welcome to a brand new day and a brand new you. Today, we're making makeup simple. No fuss, no stress, just a few easy steps to help you feel your best. Forget complicated routines. This is about a quick, everyday look that's all about you and your unique style. Whether you're off to work, class, running errands, or just want a little boost at home, this routine is for everyone, no matter your age or experience. We're not hiding your face, we're celebrating it. Every freckle, every smile line, every bit of you is wonderful. Think of your face as a canvas, already full of character, stories, and charm. Makeup is just a way to highlight what's already there. We're just adding a touch of color and smoothness, like giving grommet a bow tie or adding a pop of fun to your day. Everyday makeup should be quick, light, and fun. Something you can look forward to, not dread. It's your secret weapon for confidence, even on the busiest mornings when you barely have time for breakfast. A simple routine means you can look fresh in just 5 minutes. Yes, really. No need to wake up at the crack of dawn. Lighter makeup lets your skin breathe and keeps things easy, so you can feel comfortable all day long. It's about enhancing, not covering up. We're here to bring out your best features, not hide them away. This guide is for beginners. No experience needed, no fancy tools required, just a willingness to try something new. We'll walk through each step together, no silly questions here. Everyone starts somewhere, and we're in this as a team. You'll learn what to use, how to use it, and why it works, so you can make choices that fit your style. By the end, you'll have a routine you can do half asleep, but keep your eyes open, and you'll feel ready for anything. So, grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's start this grand day out for your face. You deserve a little time for yourself. Ready for a smashing transformation? Let's make this routine a highlight of your morning. Let's make your morning routine a happy moment, a little celebration before you take on the world. You'll look and feel fantastic. Promise. Let's get started and make today your best yet. Before makeup, let's prep your skin, the most important step. Proper skin preparation ensures that your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. Start with a gentle cleanser to freshen up. Pat dry, no rough rubbing. This helps to remove any dirt or oil that could interfere with your makeup. Next, moisturizer. It hydrates and smooths your skin, even if you're oily. A well-moisturized face provides a better canvas for makeup application. Massage a small amount over your face and neck, let it sink in. This step ensures that your skin is plump and ready for the next layers. This creates a perfect base for makeup. A smooth, hydrated face makes makeup application easier and more effective. For a simple look, you only need a few products. Keeping it minimal can be just as effective. BB cream or tinted moisturizer, concealer, mascara. These basics can help you achieve a fresh, natural look. Blush and tinted lip balm. These add a touch of color and hydration to your lips and cheeks. No need for a giant kit, just the essentials. A streamlined kit makes your routine quicker and less overwhelming. Choose a base shade that disappears into your jawline. This ensures a natural look without any harsh lines. For blush, pick a color similar to your natural flush. Soft pink or peach works for most. This adds a healthy glow to your complexion. The goal: look like the best version of yourself. Don't stress about perfection. Makeup should enhance, not mask. It's about finding what makes you feel confident. Your face, your rules. Embrace your unique features. Keep it light and easy. A natural look is often more flattering and easier to maintain. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of product to make a big impact. Prep well, and your makeup will last all day. Proper preparation is key to long-lasting beauty. Let's move on to building your base. With the right preparation, you're ready to create a flawless look. Face prepped, products ready. Let's apply your base. Use BB cream or tinted moisturizer for a light, natural finish. Warm a small amount on your hand, then dot onto forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Blend outwards with fingers, sponge, or brush, whatever feels best. Blend down your neck for a seamless look. For spots or dark circles, dab on a tiny bit of concealer and gently tap to blend. Optional. Lightly dust translucent powder on your T-zone if you get shiny. That's it. Your skin, but smoother and brighter. Keep it light and natural. You're ready for the next step. Cracking job. Time for the eyes, simple and effective. Mascara is your best friend for an everyday look. Curl lashes if you like, then apply mascara from root to tip, wiggling the wand for volume. 1 or 2 coats is plenty. Add a touch to bottom lashes if you want, but keep it light. Eyeshadow is optional. If you want, use a single neutral shade just a bit darker than your skin. Sweep it over your lid for subtle depth. No need for fancy techniques. The goal? Bright, awake eyes in seconds. Quick, easy, and makes a big difference. Your eyes are ready to shine. Let's add some color to your cheeks. Blush time. Get ready to add a touch of magic to your cheeks. This step brings life and warmth to your face, making you look vibrant and awake. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. This is where the blush will look most natural. Swirl a soft brush in blush, tap off excess and sweep onto cheeks, blending upwards for a seamless finish. Start light and build up if needed. You can always add more, but it's harder to take away. Powder blush is great for beginners. It's easy to control and blend. Cream blush gives a dewy finish. Use fingers to tap and blend for a natural glow. Choose a shade that makes you feel happy, something that complements your skin tone. Pinks, peaches, corals, or berries. There's a shade for every mood and occasion. Don't overthink it. Just aim for a healthy, natural flush that enhances your features. Blush adds instant freshness and dimension, making your face look more alive. It's a pop of happiness for your face, a little boost of joy. Experiment to find your favorite shade. You're glowing already. Enjoy the process. Now, let's finish with lips. A perfect complement to your radiant cheeks. Last step, lips. Don't skip them. For every day, go for a tinted lip balm. Hydrating, easy, and adds a hint of color. Swipe it on for a healthy, juicy look. Lip gloss is another great option. Modern formulas aren't sticky and add shine. For more color, try a sheer lipstick or lip stain. Comfortable and long-lasting. Pick a shade just a bit deeper than your natural lips. No need for precision, just swipe and go. Your lips complete the look. Simple, chic, and effortless. You're ready for anything. Let's wrap it up. And there you have it. A simple, beautiful makeup routine. Makeup should be fun and personal, not stressful. Don't worry about perfection. Practice makes it easier. Mistakes happen. Just keep going and enjoy the process. Soon, you'll do your routine in minutes. Confidence is the best thing you can wear. Some days you'll want more, some days less. Both are great. This is about choice and feeling good in your skin. Celebrate your unique features. Keep practicing and enjoy discovering what you love. You've done a cracking good job, be proud. Now go out and face the day with a smile, and maybe a bit of Wensley.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.